A very good morning, students. So, this is the second session of chapter 21, Framing Algebraic Expression. Today, we are going to start with exercise 21, question number 1. Let's see what it is saying. Question number 1, write in the form of an algebraic expression. First, perimeter P of a rectangle is 2 times the sum of its length L and its breadth okay, so you have to write it down in a form of algebraic expression. So it is saying that perimeter of a rectangle means perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times means is equals to 2 times the sum of length plus breadth. Sum means plus only. Clear? So this is the required answer. Okay. Now see the third one. Over here I'm showing you area of a square is square of its side. Okay, you have to frame this in an algebraic expression. So if I will frame that in an algebraic expression, area of a square is a square of its size, so area is equals to side square. This is the answer. Understood? Now let's see question number 2. Express each of the following as an algebraic expression. Here also express each of the following as an algebraic expression. First is the sum of x and y minus m. The sum of x and y minus 1 minus m. Understood? So this will be written like this: x plus y minus m. Clear? Let's see the fourth one. It is telling that, see, the product of 12 comma x comma y and z minus the product of 5 comma m and n. Okay, so see how you will write that in an algebraic expression. The question was the product of 12x yz minus 5 mn. Okay, you have to frame it like this. So this is the answer. Understood? Now let's see question number 3. Okay, question number 3 is telling us construct a formula for the following: total wages of a man whose basic wage is rupees b for t hours a week plus overtime at r, means at rupees r, that is per hour. If he works a total of t hours, Okay, so now we will see what the solution of third one. Okay, let's see. So third one is what it was telling, that wages for T hours was rupees B, and about overtime it was T minus T hours. Okay, then therefore wages, just check it out, therefore wages for overtime, everything what I'm writing over here is given in the question, is rupees R, that will be capital T minus T. Okay, so total wages will be wages of for T hours plus wages for overtime of T minus T hours. Okay, if we will write this in a formula, so wages is equals to rupees B plus rupees R capital T minus T. So this is the required formula. Okay, let me make you understand once more what is actually the question telling us. See, total wages of a man, yani, see, I will tell you, means I will explain you this question in Hindi. Total wages रुपीज डब्ल्यू ऑफ अ मैन, ठीक है, एक आदमी जिसका टोटल सैलरी डब्ल्यू है, रुपीज डब्ल्यू है, और उसकी जो बेसिक सैलरी है वो रुपीज बी है फॉर टी आवर्स, यानी जब वो टी आवर्स के लिए काम करेगा, फॉर पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए वो जब वो काम करेगा, तो उसकी बेसिक सैलरी सपोज कर रहे हैं बी है। फिर उसने एक हफ्ता ओवर टाइम किया, अ वीक प्लस ओवर टाइम एट रुपीज आर, एक पर्टिकुलर रुपीज के लिए, ठीक है, तो ओवर टाइम पर आर का जुड़ता है स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, एंड इफ ही वर्क्स आ टोटल, अब इन सब को मिला करके जब उसने टोटल टी आवर्स के लिए काम किया तो उसका टोटल वेजेस एक्चुअली में होगा क्या, सो दैट व्हाट आई हैव डिराइव्ड, टोटल वेजेस इज इक्वल्स टू वेजेस फॉर टी आर, वेजेस फॉर टी आवर्स कितना होगा, प्लस वेजेस फॉर ओवर टाइम, ठीक है, तो ओवर टाइम उसने कितना काम किया, ठीक है, और अगर उसने टोटल टी आवर्स के लिए काम किया तो उसमें से उसने कितना टोटल कितना ओवर टाइम किया उसे हमें माइनस करना पड़ता है, तब आपका ये फॉर्मूला डिराइव्ड हो जाएगा। अंडरस्टूड? ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नाउ लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Okay, if x is equals to 4, evaluate what, first I will tell you the third one only. Okay, x square upon 2, so putting the value, x स्क्वायर की वैल्यू 4 है, उसका स्क्वायर किया अपॉन 2, सो 4 4 ज़ा 16 अपॉन 2, 2 1 ज़ा 2 8 ज़ा, so your answer is 8. Understood? Okay, let's see fifth one. If m is equals to 6, evaluate, for example second one, if I'm taking it, so this is 2m square plus 3m. Okay, solution, putting the value of m, so 2m की वैल्यू 6 है, स्क्वायर 3 into 6, क्लियर है? So this will be 72 plus 18. Okay, so this will become 8 plus 2 10, and 7 plus 8, 7 plus 1 8, and 9, 90 is the answer. Understood? Let's see question number, question number 5th is clear. Now let's see question 6. See over here, question 6. Okay, question 6 is saying if x is equals to 4, evaluate. Okay, I'm going to do the first part, 12x plus 7, solution, putting the value of x, so 12 multiplied by 4 plus 7, so 12 4s is 48 plus 7, this will be 55, which is the final answer. Okay, now see students, question number 7 and 8 is also similar. You have to just put the value of 10 in the given expression and you can take it out. Okay, now I'm going to solve question number 9 for you. Okay, question number 9, if a is equals to minus 10, evaluate. So third one, a cube, solution, putting the value of a cube means 10 cube minus 10 cube, so this will be minus 1000. Clear? Now similarly is question number 10. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 भी एकदम सिमिलर है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 भी सिमिलर है. लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन 12. क्वेश्चन 12 is find the average A of 4 quantities P, Q, R and S if A equals to 6, P equals to 3, Q equals to 5 and R is equals to 7. Find the value of S. Find the value of S. Okay, so this is the last question for this session. Okay, so it's telling us find the average A of 4 quantities. If average is given, value of P, Q, R is given, you have to find the value of S. So average means you have to add all the quantities and divide how many number of quantities are there. So this is 4 quantities given to you. So एवरेज वैल्यू यानी आपको नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटीज़ को ऐड करके और जितनी क्वांटिटीज़ हैं उससे डिवाइड करेंगे. तो 4 क्वांटिटीज़ हैं तो हमने 4 से डिवाइड कर दिया. अब ए की वैल्यू 6 गिवन है, पी की वैल्यू 3 प्लस 5 plus 7 plus s upon 4. These values are given when we will cross multiply. Okay, so this will be 24. Okay, 6 4s are 24. Then when you will add this, you will get 15 plus s. So s is equals to 24 minus 15, which is 9. Clear? So today I'm keeping till here only. Okay, again watch it very carefully. If having any trouble, then please be free to ask your doubt. Thank you.